This is room 229 of the Palace Tower in Caesars Palace. This is a standard room in the Palace Tower. Let me give you a bit of an orientation. You have a front little entryway, and here is where you're located. You're not right next to the elevator, but you're super close, especially in Las Vegas standards. If you are staying at Caesars Palace for a convention, this is the perfect tower. You want to aim for the Palace Tower because the convention center and all the meeting rooms are directly downstairs. So when you first walk in, you have a long hallway. You have 4 doors of closets. You'll see there's also an ironing board and substantial space to hang all of your clothing as well, and a safe. There is a small dressing table or makeup table with a makeup mirror that lights up. It's helpful. Let me take you into the bathroom. Lovely bathroom. Here we go. These shower, rain shower. It feels great if you're a woman who uses a lot of conditioner. It will take forever for it to rinse out of your hair because it is a slow trickle. Here is the bathroom, and there are double sinks in here. The bath amenities smell really great and seem to do a good job, so there's no reason to bring those along if you're staying at Caesars Palace. There is a big bathtub with what looks like jets at the base. So jacuzzi bathtub, and you can see a large mirror alongside that. Let's go into the bedroom. Through the hallway, here we have the bedroom. This is an adjoining room here. There is the entertainment center and mini bar. We'll get to that in a minute. And this is 2 beds, cozy beds, great linens. There are enough plugs around, but when you're at a convention and you have a lot of things charging for work, you'll have to be somewhat creative in using them around the room. Let me give you an idea of what this view is. Here we go. Here's your daytime view. You do see a lot of the infrastructure of Caesars Palace and the adjoining retail establishments near. But you do have a nice view of Las Vegas at night. The lights are really pretty. So let me go back into the room. There's one thing in this room that, maybe it's just a Las Vegas thing, but gosh, it irks me. With a $44 a day resort fee, they give you a Keurig in your room, and they also provide you amenities. One of those amenities to use the Keurig in your room is to purchase Keurig pods. So they give you the cup, but you have to purchase Keurig pods. So if you're staying at Caesars Palace, just bring your own Keurig pods or tea bags or whatever it may be. So there's the list of other items. Everything else seems to be a nice kind of standard Las Vegas hotel room. There you go.